everyone, welcome back. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Rebecca, and in this video I wanted to share some last minute Christmas hacks. Also a huge thank you to all of you guys. We recently hit 200,000 subscribers, which is just so crazy because I can remember a couple years ago thinking that just seemed like an impossibility, and so it's so crazy that here we are. So I just wanted to say thank you so much to all of you for being here and watching my channel, and the time that you spend here with me. It just means so much. So I hope that you enjoy, and I'm looking forward to hopefully being able to bring you a bunch of new content in the new year. So the first Christmas hack I want to share with you is an easy Christmas cake decorating hack. All you need to do, bake and frost your cake as usual. Now, to decorate it for Christmas, grab a box or two of the ready-made mini gingerbread houses. This is like the little Christmas village set. I got it in Target. I'll see if I can put a link for one of these down below. I don't know who has them still in stock, so I'm gonna take a look around, see who has it in stock, and I'll try to link what I can down below for you. But this is great because we can decorate all of the little individual house pieces and then place them all the way around the cake like this, around the side. It looks super adorable. I even decorated the square pieces that I guess you would use to make the roof or something, or the base, I'm not sure. But anyway, I used them and just designed my own little snowflakes on here. It made the perfect topping for my cake. And then I can finish off the top with some fresh pieces of rosemary and a few cranberries or cherries, any kind of red berries that you want to use. I am just obsessed with how cute and easy this cake was to do. I think it is absolutely adorable for Christmas. The next one is also a cookie cutter Christmas hack, and this is just a great way to add sprinkles onto your Christmas cookies without getting them all over the cookie tray. So once you've cut out your sugar cookies or whatever you're going to be decorating, you can place that same cookie cutter back over top of the cookie and add the sprinkles right carefully into there. Lift up the cookie cutter. A few sprinkles still will get on the tray. Despite the fact it does not keep 100% of the sprinkles from getting on the tray, it definitely works for the majority of them. So I consider this a win, and I will continue using this hack. Speaking of cookie cutters, did you know that you can take your gingerbread cookie cutter and just flip it over and make a reindeer? So it doubles as a gingerbread man or a reindeer. I think this one is so cute. So basically turning this upside down so that the gingerbread man's legs are actually where you can draw in the antlers for the reindeer. I found this one on Pinterest and I thought it was just the cutest thing, so I made a bunch of these for our Christmas party. Now, if you've got an empty wall that you want to decorate for Christmas, try adding some removable wall sticker decals. This is a fantastic way to take up some space, decorate a larger empty wall for Christmas, make it feel festive. I think the snowflakes are great because you can actually leave them up all winter long, so they kind of double as winter decor. So I think this is just a great Christmas hack or winter decor hack. It just works great throughout the whole season, and it's just affordable and easy to do. When you're done, you can peel them back off the wall with no mess, no fuss, no hassle. Moving on to the next one, wrapping empty Amazon boxes in some dollar store paper is a great way to decorate for Christmas, really cheap, using two items that you likely already have in your home. I had these Amazon boxes. I also have lots of extra wrapping paper around, so I'm just going to use these either on the front porch or you can use them in the house. You can also wrap these boxes up in some vinyl tablecloths from Dollar Tree if you want to make them a little bit more weather resistant in order to use them outside. So mine only lasted for a little while on the front porch because we did end up with some bad weather, but I made these a couple years ago. Wanted to share them with you again because I think this is such a great idea, whether you want to use them indoors or out. Save your leftover toilet paper rolls or paper towel rolls, and you can cut these lengthwise to create this little holder for the ends of your loose wrapping paper rolls. It will hold your roll together neatly and just kind of help tidy up your space and keep the paper from getting wrinkled or torn. It might look kind of weird having a toilet paper hole around your wrapping paper, but you know what? If it works, right? For the next Christmas hack, I thought this was super cute. I'm simply taking a flat snowflake ornament from Dollar Tree. This costs just $1. I'm hot gluing a little magnet onto the back, and then these are adorable to give as a little gift to put on top of a candle that has a metal lid. So in particular, the Bath and Body Works candles, they have little toppers like this in Bath and Body Works that cost a lot more than $1 to make. So I think this just turned out super, super cute. Another Christmas hack that I have been doing for years, the Christmas card fits absolutely perfect in this 5x7 frame from Dollar Tree, and the bonus is you have an entire pack of Christmas cards left over that you could mail out. But I think it is so, so cute, and it's literally the easiest thing in the world to make, just sticking this card inside the frame. Super cute and super easy Christmas decor hack. Another Christmas hack that I absolutely love is taking an adorable little ornament and using it as your little decoration for your napkin rings. So I found these on Amazon, these little wooden snowflakes, and they have the little hanger on them, which is just so perfect for tucking through the napkin ring. This looks really cute and adorable to dress up your Christmas table, plus your guests get to take home an ornament keepsake. And you could even write the year on the back if you want to. For the last hack in this video, we're taking more ornaments and dressing up our Christmas presents. These look super cute. You can do this for just $1 a piece if you shop in Dollar Tree. It easily makes them look 10 times more cute and adorable. If you don't want to go all out with an actual $1 ornament, you can simply buy a bunch of florals or some ribbon in Dollar Tree and stretch $1, or now it's $1.25, and stretch out your buck to cover multiple gifts with different little floral accessories, different ribbons. Super cute. I love how this looks. So comment down below and let me know which one of these Christmas hacks is your favorite, or which one do you think you could see yourself maybe using this year. Hopefully this video is helpful on some level. If you enjoyed this video and you're still here, please give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing before you go. I would love to have you. And as always, I'm wishing you a beautiful, blessed day. Also a very Merry Christmas to you and your family, a happy holiday season, and just wishing you a very happy and blessed new year.